Lawnmower versus Lawnmower.
Fight! Fight! Fight!
Alright, y'all. Today we're going versus. This is going to be a battle against a lawnmower, push mowers. Which one is the best? Is the new school better than the old school? Or is the old school better than the new school? I don't know. Let me put this bill right here. We're going to find out. Alright, let's go. We're going to take pretty much new lawnmower. And we're going to see how it cut. That's pretty convenient. I pull a string and it cuts. But now, let's go to an old school lawnmower. Huh. I ain't got to pull no string. Look at that. When it's sunny, you can cut without no money. You ain't got to buy no gas. You can use that money to buy you some
Beer!
Yeah, beer.
Beer!
Yeah, beer. Beer. All right, that's enough.